Greetings traders, this is Des here at Grok Trade on Thursday, September 6, 2012. For you golfers out there, I spent the whole entire day out there on hole number 12 at the BMW Championship. It is the PGA tournament that's here in Indiana, here in Carmel, Indiana. And I am doing the shot link with it basically is the laser guy on hole number 12, seeing how far those guys are hitting the ball. So far on my dog leg hole, 314 yards comes from Holmes, who's the long driver. But I did here on hole number 11, he did 342 yard drive. I mean, that's just huge, but nothing compared to today's jump. Down up 244 plus points, up 1.89%. Boom! Very bullish day today. The S&P up 28 points plus, up 2%. Nasdaq up 2.2%, Russell's up more than 2%, Banks up only 1.6, so laggy a little bit. VIX off by a whopping 12%. Gold up. We have silver up 1.28%. Metals have been doing exceptionally well. And then we have crude oil down almost a full percent, US dollar down 0.3%. But check this out, Grok graduates, the trend down 0.28. Keep your eyes on that. I'm looking for a play this evening, trying to get in post-market time to take advantage of this. And for all those that want to be graduates, certainly be taking that seriously. If you want to go through an interview phone call, just send us an email at mentor@groktrade.com. Say, hey, I'm interested in an interview phone call, and we'll just find out if we have a match. But let's get looking here. Look at this. The S&P daily, a nice run, a little bull pullback. It's actually a bull flag that's condensing, more bullish than it is bearish for sure. Boom, to the upside. Kind of have a belt hold line here with no lower shadow and absolutely no upper shadow. So that is a strong, strong movement to the upside. The question is, will we sustain this? Normally after such a run like this, you'll get a little bit of a pullback, especially early in the morning. Be looking forward to that. But tomorrow, pre-market, we have the unemployment rate coming out. That is a huge news event that you cannot ignore, and that could certainly send the markets one direction or the other. But technically speaking, I've been saying this for a while, you got to stay bullish in this market, and I hope that you did so. Let's look at the weekly chart. Let me show you something on the weekly. The weekly's poked its head over some major areas of resistance. You know what? The S&P is actually, we haven't been this high since 2008. So it's a 4 years ago since we've seen these highs here. Really nice pop on the week so far. And on the monthly chart, let me show you this. We are over that 1422 that we talked about, but we're at that resistance line. So we're still not out of the woods yet. We have a rising wedge here on the monthly chart. This dude could break down and right now on the big time frame. If you look here at the Dow broke a resistance level, not too bad there. And if you look here on the Nasdaq, there's that high base breakout that we were anticipating. Boom, breaking a lot of resistance levels. For it to break this 3124 level, that's pretty stout. But we do have resistance coming up here. But again, the question is, will we have a red day closing out the week? I think that we have a very real chance of that happening, but we have a lot of momentum here. We close with a vengeance, and we have some decent volume too. Here's small caps. Looking at Russell's, this is a major trend line, gang, that it popped above. That is big time. That is strong. The question is, can it sustain that elevation? Maybe, maybe not. Take a quick look here at the banks on the daily. I'm going to show you this. We have a major trend line coming across here, and you can see that we're just trying to poke our head. It's acting as resistance. We're trying to get above it, but that is a major area of resistance that you cannot ignore. On the weekly chart, we're breaking out, not too bad. And on the monthly, we're starting to make a nice little move here. Now let's take a look at gold. Gold continues to move higher on the monthly. On the weekly chart, we continue this march northbound, and on the daily, you can see here we popped up, but we sold off. This is called a shooting star. So it goes up, is glorious for a moment, comes back down, and closes more bearish for the day. This could be a reversal pattern in the making, so be careful if you are holding gold right now, because we are very extended from the simple moving averages and even extended from the exponential moving averages. So with that extension usually brings rubber band effect where we will want to pull back down. So I threw a lot at you here. Tomorrow we're going to try to get our rounds in early there at the PGA, so I should be getting my weekend edition done on a timely basis. And we do have a mentorship coming up fairly soon. Quit just thinking about it. Seriously, give it some serious thought and go to that next step and get formally educated. Pick Grok Trade to do that. You're going to save yourself a bundle, and you're going to be with a group of individuals that trade in the markets. We don't talk the talk, we walk the walk first and then talk the talk. So if you want us to put our arms around you and help you through your trading journey to get you to a new level so you'll quit just out there kicking around the can and not getting anywhere quick, let us help you down the journey. So hope all's well. Send us an email at mentor@groktrade.com and we'll have a little chat here. Take care and safe trading.